Hello, good morning or good afternoon. This is the recorded lecture for week 5. This week you're going to design a CMS using SharePoint Online. CMS, Content Management System. We are week 5. The learning objectives: you'll develop and enhance learning, understanding of the SharePoint platform. What does it do, its functions, and the appropriate use. You're going to build your SharePoint site for your content, for your business functions, including document management. SharePoint Online is a cloud-based service. It helps organizations share, manage content, knowledge, and applications so that we can empower teamwork, quickly find information, seamlessly collaborate across the organization. The teachers have set up the SharePoint site. Okay, this is the main top site, okay, where all the classes are hyperlinked along the top. Your class number and your class name. So the top site is where you can see all the classes. Your subsites are where you click on your class. You'll have further subsites for your businesses. You'll create pages, document libraries, and photograph libraries. A site is a group of lists that you create: libraries, pages, apps, and other functions you can create on this SharePoint site. Different libraries that you create with SharePoint: document library, where you store your files types. There must be Word, Excel, they must be editable files. You cannot have any PDFs in your document library. That's because when you're working as a team, everybody in the team should be able to edit the documents, and you can't do that with PDF. You may have a form library where you may have business forms, templates. Okay, you can manage forms with Microsoft Forms. Picture library. This is an additional feature to save your images into your picture library. Now you have a picture library and an asset library. Your picture library is for images that might change, like this week's special offers. Okay, asset library are valuable assets, valuable pictures, things like your logo. Business logos don't change much over time, so that's quite a valuable asset. Your document library, it's online, so that you can share and work with your team members. The library stores securely your files where you and your co-workers can find them easily, okay, findability, work on them together, and access them from any device at any time. Document library is like a filing cabinet with documents inside. We don't use folders in SharePoint, okay? Folders, the structure is only known to the person who created it. And when you put things inside folders and subfolders, they tend to get hidden. URL limitation. When you add a folder to SharePoint, it creates a URL. If you add a subfolder, it adds to that URL. And too many subfolders, and you've only got 260 characters. Okay. User experience, navigation and finding documents. Okay. Where to put documents, putability, finding documents, findability. So it's very difficult when you use folders. When you use folders, you only get one view, the folder view. Using metadata, which you've created this week with your taxonomy, you can create an unlimited number of ways to view documents that have been set up. Business information. The number one benefit of information technology is it empowers people to do what they want. It lets people be creative, productive. It lets people learn things that they didn't know they could learn before. It's all about potential. Naming intelligence. Okay, intelligent naming. Keep file names short, okay? Don't use spaces in names as documents or libraries, lists, column titles or views. They add a 20% to the URL, okay, and it looks ugly. Try not to change the name, change the title. Names using camel case. So camel case, 2 words, but no space in between, okay? And this will eliminate the 20% in the URL. If you really want to give a space, don't use hyphens, use underscores. The more user-friendly, use underscores and not a hyphen. Intelligent naming conventions. Your documents must be named intelligently. Okay? This week, if you did a taxonomy, you should have saved it as, for instance, HR taxonomy. Okay? So lists, marketing lists, no spaces. Documents, HR document recruitment. Okay? Photographs, named of what the photograph is, not JPEG 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the picture of? Conclusion, managing content. So in week 5 and 6, you're going to create the document management site, and viewers are going to create a quick way for users to find the data they need. We will be creating columns, lists and document libraries. There is a workbook in Moodle that takes you through step by step for all week 5 activities, and there is a link to the workbook.